You're not perfect the way that you are, but that's actually a good thing. I know. I think that we hear this a lot where people say, well, you're perfect the way that you are. You don't need to change. You don't need to be sad or upset about how you are or who you are right now. And that might be true. You may not need to be super down on yourself, but you definitely are not perfect the way that you are. And if you were, that would be very depressing. You don't want to be perfect the way that you are, quite frankly, because if you were, that would mean that you couldn't get any better. It would mean that you have peaked at whatever age you are, 27, 28, 30, 35, 40, 60 years old. You've peaked. Maybe you're only 17, 16. This is the best that you're gonna do. This is who you're going to become. This is the pinnacle of achievement for your entire life. You're perfect the way that you are. No freaking way, dude, okay? I hate that. You're perfect just the way that you are. You're not. You're not. Thank goodness, dude. You don't want to be perfect the way that you are because you want to continue to grow and get better and learn. And if you think that you're good right now, you have absolutely no idea. If I look at myself from where I was just like 3-5 years ago, dude, I'm like embarrassed from where I was. And 5 years from now, I'll probably be embarrassed where I am now. Right now, I feel really good. But 5, 10, 15 years from now, who knows how I'm gonna feel? Who knows how I'm gonna look at myself right now? I will probably be proud of myself from the direction that I've decided to take. 5 years ago, I wasn't in this direction. Now I'm on the direction, the path that I want to be on. And that is what you need to pay attention to. Who you are today versus who you were yesterday versus who you were a year to 5 years ago, whatever timeline you want to look at. And the big question right now is, are you on your path to becoming the person that you want to be? Are you on your path to perfection? Are you going towards your ideal version of yourself, your ideal life, the life that you want? The life of your dreams? Are you chasing after it? Are you working for it? That's the real question, because you're not perfect where you are. Honestly, you'll never reach perfection, but that's part of what we're doing here. That's part of why we're here alive, is to grow, to experience, to become better and to become stronger. Through trials, through difficulty, through hard times, we grow and we get stronger. Always. If you understand that that is part of the purpose of life, of your entire life, is to go through difficulty, come out the other side and become stronger. Regardless of how you feel, you continue to grow and become better. Regardless of how you look at yourself right now, regardless of where you may be, however weak you may feel, grow every single day. You will get better, you will get stronger. That's why this is a good thing that you're not perfect. That's why this is a good thing that you're watching this video, because you need to get better. That's what my program is designed to do, to help you along that path and figure out really where you want to go, who you want to become. Because if you don't know that, it's like, where are you even going? You're probably going to spin around in circles. That's where I was 5 years ago. Now I know where I want to be. Now I know who I want to become. It's very, very clear. Imagine a world where you need to get somewhere, but you don't even have the address and you don't have any maps, but you need to get somewhere, but you don't even know where you need to go. It doesn't even make sense. How are you even gonna leave the house? You're not even gonna get out of the driveway. But if you get really clear on who you want to become, because staying in the driveway for your entire life is not perfection. Going on the path to who you want to be, to your ideal self, to your ideal life, your ideal family, everything that you want, and working towards that every single day, that is perfection. Who you want to become, you going on that. That's what you need to feel fulfilled, to feel proud, to feel confident, to feel strong, to feel powerful, is to figure out where you want to go. Figure out your pinnacle of perfection and success, an ideal lifestyle, an ideal version of yourself, the pinnacle of that, and then work towards it. And here's what's going to happen, is you're going to have that goal in mind, and you're gonna get close to it, and then you're gonna raise it, because you're gonna be able to see farther ahead than you were able to when you were down low. When you're right here, you can't see up here, but once you get to about here, you can see all the way up here. You're gonna move the goal. You're never even gonna reach perfection or what you see as the pinnacle right now, because you can't see far ahead. You can't see that far ahead. You can't see even how much potential that you have. Now picture that. Picture yourself going on that path for your entire life. Imagine what level you'll be at. Imagine the type of human that you will be. Others will look at you and not even recognize you. Even if you do that, you start doing that right now for the next couple of months, you'll be unrecognizable. If you stop doing all of the things that make you unhappy and you start doing things that make you powerful and strong and confident and all of the things that you want, whatever that is, you start doing all of those things and stop doing things that keep you away from that, you'll be unrecognizable in months, maybe even faster, depending where you're at and how much effort you put into it. But that's why being perfect right now sucks. That's why it's not even true. Don't let anybody tell you that you're perfect the way that you are. Bull freaking crap, dude. Get the freak out of here. All right, you have unlimited, untapped potential. You have no idea what you can achieve. You don't even have a clue of what you can achieve. So start working towards it. All right, I'll catch you on the next video.